Here, Assalamualaikum. We are now again in Songsoy. And then I will show you this one. The building here in Songsoy, so many. And then high buildings. You see there? Okay, here. Too many people also here. Oh, excuse me. The the woman asking why I don't know what asking. Oh my god. You see here in the this one is the exercise area here in Yonsong. So many building here, and then so many nice facilitate here in Hong Kong. You see here also many like this, and this one here now in exercise area. We are go to, you see there, so very peaceful, not too much shouting here. And we are now, I will go home, and then I open the water again. Here, so many exercise. You see the playground there. And watch out, Madam People in here in Hong Kong. Good afternoon to each and everyone. We see other place here. Also have the playground here. You see here, very nice. This the wind fresh. You see here. I will show you the this one also the playground here. Look, see here. So many also building here. The sound of the birds so sweet and fresh air.